Oh great, isn't this just ducky? I'm on the peak of my walk here. I got a little late start and I'm at the top here. And now freaking hailstorm's rolling in. I'm getting pelted with hail. I don't know whether to turn around and go back down or finish this walk. My idea is to try to find a shortcut out of the other road over here and out of this new plan. But I'm going to get wet. It's cold. I'm getting pelted with hail. But I'm getting exercise. There's Karen's house. Nice corner lot. This is that street I was looking at buying, or buying a property on that whole street. But boy, this is inclement. Okay, here's a new neighborhood. Oh boy, there's just no easy way out of this. I'm just gonna have to wing it, figure out how to get back down on the other road, how to get home. Sucks. This house is just too damn close. Alright, I'm gonna put the phone away so it doesn't get soaked. See ya.